In this video, we'll break down what the Miele does better than anyone else and where it falls short. Then we'll compare it to its two biggest rivals at $10,000, Wolf and Thermador. Depending on how you cook, the differences could be significant. Miele's cooktop is powerful. Two of its four zones reach 3,800 watts, which can outperform even a 25,000 BTU gas burner. But here's the trade-off. Miele doesn't allow you to bridge zones. You're limited to four fixed areas. If you cook with griddles, large roasting pans, or want more flexibility, that's where Wolf and Thermador pull ahead. Wolf adds a 5,500 watt boost burner and lets you bridge two zones for wider cookware. Thermador's Liberty induction goes even further. It lets you cook across multiple zones and slide pans from boil to simmer without touching a setting. So while Miele offers good output, Wolf and Thermador give you more ways to actually use that power. This is where Miele really stands out. Its M-Touch control panel works more like an iPad than a traditional oven. Smooth, responsive, and easy to use. Want to roast a chicken or sear a steak? Just tap the food, choose how you want it cooked, and the oven handles the rest. Wolf's Gourmet mode is also excellent. It even suggests which rack to use, but Miele's interface feels more intuitive. Thermador's basic controls, by comparison, haven't really evolved, so if precision and ease of cooking is on your list, Miele is the clear winner. Miele uses twin convection fans to deliver even heat across every rack. Bake 3 trays of cookies, they'll all come out similar in color and texture, no hot spots. That's an upgrade over Thermador's single fan and comparable to Wolf's VertiFlow system, which uses extended heating elements to circulate air evenly. But here's where Miele pulls ahead: steam assist. In a typical electric oven, dry air can leave roasts tough and breads too dense. Steam keeps meat juicy and helps bread develop that golden bakery-style crust, and it's built right into the M-Touch interface. Just tap roast chicken or sourdough, and the oven takes care of the timing, temp, and steam level for you. So is Miele right for you? It depends. But if you're looking for a combination of solid output, intuitive controls you don't have to figure out, and advanced features like twin convection and steam assist that can actually improve how you cook, then Miele should absolutely be in the conversation. You can see all three side by side at any of our 6 showrooms. We can deliver any in-stock range within 48 hours. And if you're still deciding, download our free induction range buyer's guide. It's based on over 33,000 service calls and will help you avoid the most common mistakes, the ones most people don't realize until after they buy. If you want to learn about the best induction ranges, click this video, and thanks for watching.